Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. I have an application to find BTS V's ideal type. SC has requested it. SC also made a list. It was so hard to pick one this time. Everyone had a good fortune and many people looked good in it. And V's fortune was very unique, so it was hard to tell who would look the best. Shall we look for V's ideal type? V is a beautiful flower in his fortune. Beautiful flowers like to be gathered together and are very adaptable. The letters that mean popularity are in a strong position. V is a structure in which the letters mean wealth and input energy are strongly opposed. Input energy has a good academic acceptance and collection of information and is loved by adults and mother. Letters that mean wealth are interested in activities to increase their value and have excellent spatial intelligence. The structure in which the letters meaning input energy and wealth are strongly opposed is seen by geniuses and has a strong educational entrepreneurial disposition. It's a structure that lacks some psychological stability. V's fortune structure is a bit sensitive and powerful, so I hope she has a good flow of energy, and V lacks fire and matter energy, so I hope she can supplement it. Those who wanted to participate in V's game are Jennie, Jisoo, Joey, Yeri, Chewie, Suji, Yuna, IU. This is the person SC made a list. Thank you. Let's play a game and decide the winner. The first match is between Jennie and Jisoo. Jennie's fortune is so attractive. The creative and powerful self gives a strong drive and physical activity intelligence. But the water is so strong that it doesn't complement V and his energy. Jisoo has something in common that even if there are no letters corresponding to man, the energy of fire is supplemented and that there are letters corresponding to input energy and wealth in V. The winner of this match is Jisoo. The first match is Jisoo's victory. The second match is between Joey and Yeri. Both of them have a steady flow of energy. Joey is an entertainer who starts with herself and leads to art and wealth. And there is input energy in the strongest position. Yeri is a scalar structure that harmonizes art with input energy. Both of them have a good luck structure, but Joey, who has a common writing structure with V, will be the winner. The second match is Joey's victory. The third match is between Joey and Suji. Joey has a very good flow of energy, starting with input energy. The letters meaning wealth are powerful. There is also the energy of fire and matter that V doesn't have, but there are no letters for man. Suji is a good relationship that combines with the letters that mean a man. There is input energy, and the letters with the same energy as themselves are powerful, so they have strong drive and physical activity intelligence. Both of them have good fortune. However, Joey, who has a good flow of energy and has a common letter with V, but complements the energy and matter energy, will be the winner. The third match is Joey's victory. The fourth match is between Yuna and IU. Both of them are in conflict with the letter meaning a man. Yuna and IU also have strong fire and matter energy that V lacks. However, IU has something in common that she is very interested in activities that increase her value because the letters correspond to wealth that exists strongly. 2V are very powerful. Therefore, IU will win this match. The fourth match is IU's victory. That's how all 4 matches ended. Next, let's pick the final winner after the battle between Jisoo and Joey and Joey and IU. It's a thrilling moment. It's a battle between Jisoo and Joey. Both of them have input energy and wealth letters. Jisoo has a bit of sensitive personality. However, Joey has fire energy and matter energy. And like V, the energy equivalent to wealth is strong and the flow of energy is good. Joey will win this match. Next, it's a battle between Joey and IU. Joey doesn't have any letters that correspond to man, and IU has letters that correspond to man. But she's in conflict. Both of them have the energies of fire and matter. But I wanted to select Joey, who has good energy flow and has input energy like V, as the winner. It's the last match. V's fortune was a bit sensitive, so I looked for someone with stable energy flow, and both of them had the last match without the letters that corresponded to man. However, since there are no letters indicating time, I hope that there will be letters corresponding to man in the question mark. Both of them have a good flow of energy. They also have the energies of fire and matter that V doesn't have. And there is wealth and input energy. But Joey's fire is the sun. V, who is beautiful flower, likes the sunlight to bloom. Joey also has a good flow of energy, but at the end, the letters meaning wealth and the letters meaning herself are strongly opposed. Therefore, Joey will be the final winner. Joey was selected as the final winner in 7 matches, but other people also have a lot of strengths. Since V's fortune is a bit sensitive and has genius intelligence, it was a game where it was difficult to select someone with a good personality because of the good flow of energy while supplementing V's fortune structure. I don't know about their actual relationship, but I wish you all the best and happiness. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.